So then, Chab, let me ask you something now. If you only have two options, option one, alright. How many state the question now?
State man, no matter how you state.
You can only date. Which would you choose? Yeah, an escort, where of course you know escort they sell them body and earn money. Yeah, and she have 50 bodies, mean body count of 50. She make her money. Or a regular girl, two of them are 25 now. So escort at 25, she have 50 body, she make her money. A regular girl we are 25, she work a regular job, but every fucking weekend she go a bar, she meet a new man, she sleep with a new man. Her body count at 25.
Hold on, her body count at 25.
Yeah, she at alright, let me go again.
She at
escort at 25-year-old, yeah?
you 20 and 25.
22 of them at 25, yeah. Escort a fair body count of 50. But you know so she earn her money. And there's no emotional tie to the people. Them at work, she at work.
No.
Yeah. And then the next girl now, she at 25, have a regular job. But every friggin' Friday night, Saturday night, she go on a bar and she sleep with a new man.
I'm never be honest though. You don't take the escort because here I know the escort money, whatever the escort money makes, she have to give me.
That's the reason why?
That's my reason.
So you're a pimp.
So me a pimp her out, but me not go there.
That illegal though.
Me not give a fuck. Everything is legal in America. I could have walk on the roadside illegal to jaywalk.
So you not take an escort because
me rather there with the escort because me know so what you know. Escort is no feelings attached to the nigga them when she fuck.
Plus she use
condom and every nigga where she fuck she get money for it.
Yeah.
This bitch fucking random niggas
probably
ain't
raw.
getting shit and probably fucking raw
one night stand.
One night stand.
And then for a female have sex with a regular man, she have to feel some emotional connection to him. So so much man she feel emotional.
Right now she quick have to get some more than the escort. Yeah, tell her. Big man love her.
Say escort
right for the escort because
with 50 body.
Escort with 50 body now. Me I go train her away when me know say out. Me not go fuck her none at all.
But are you a girl?
You understand? Me I'll get the money from her and me I have a next girl. All while. So the escort they probably feel like say she me have a girl. But deep down, me have to just pimp her out because there is no wife in up between the two of them right there. Because she is escort. At the pointless
women are usually my friend, your homie, the girl share her body count with him because women don't usually share their body count. And how the hell she knows you're 87?
That means she write it down on paper.
Who the fuck do that?
Weird ass bitch. Yeah, tell her brother. Yo, some weird ass girl out there, brother. Me not keep track of what girl me fuck to pussy lad. Me need to keep track.
My body count at 7.
Brother, my body count at 2 to pussy lad. I mean, no myself at 2 woman alone fucking.
7.
2 woman alone.
My first girlfriend me love, my son mother, my daughter mother, my recent ex, my wife, my situationship that I chick way always a fly up, and my current situationship 7. That's it.
Why?
That's it.